Hi guys, welcome to Dad's Workshop. Here he is.
As you can see, I have my helper out here today. My wife,
Me!
my wife was busy cooking supper, so I enlisted her to help me shoot this video. So I've had a few guys ask me, when are you going to make one, or are you going to make one, being a tailgate kit for a 1003. These are the 1005, the Honda Pioneer 1005 tailgate stiffener kits, and these have been selling good. I've been getting good feedback on them, but I've had several guys reach out to me wanting to know, hey, are you going to offer one for a 1003? Well, I don't want to leave you all out, so yeah, the answer is yes. I actually had a gentleman purchase a tailgate kit, and he ended up getting obviously I only sold the tailgate kit for the 5, but he had a 3. He had a 3-passenger 1000. Those numbers get confusing this late in the day for some reason. But rather than sending him, crediting him money and all that, which I told him I would do, he said, well, if you're going to build one, let me just send you my tailgate, which worked out great because that's what I was needing, was a tailgate to be able to do the, to make the prototype.
Just wait a second. Look how pretty these letters on it is. It's just beautiful to me. I like how they put stickers. Honda doesn't have them.
Hey, that does look good, doesn't it? I haven't even noticed that.
And it's like so slick.
The good old United States.
Yep.
It's the flag.
I love my United States of America.
Well, so this is the kit for the 1000 Honda Pioneer 1003 seater, and I think it turned out quite well. There was some limitations that I had on my end. My brake is only accommodating 49-inch material, therefore I can only go 49 inches. The majority of the tailgate, that's fine. The tailgate is about 48 inches overall, but when you get to the top, I would have liked to have been able to come on around and finish that out. That's the only thing that bothers me a little bit, but overall it turned out pretty good. The guy that sent me his tailgate wanted me to go ahead and wrap that around, and I tried. As you can see, there's several.
Yeah, there are several little things that he has messed up on, wasting his time.
That's part of it, but I realized after I got one to fit, the bends were all correct and the dimensions were correct. It just wasn't sitting on there right. It was just getting distorted when it just was not sitting right. And so I realized the tailgate is not completely straight across the back. So that's what we got.
Anything else you guys say?
Well, the link will be in the description of this video. You can go to eBay to purchase this. These are going to be a little bit more because they do, not much more, but they do require more material. We'll see what we can work up on the price. I was able to, with taking this off, I can now get 3 out of a piece, I'm pretty sure, and that makes a big difference. But the length does kind of mess with me there. I'm making them 49 inches because that's the longest my brake will accommodate. Well, typically I buy sheets in 48 by 48 inch pieces, so now I'm having to buy a 4 by 8 sheet and then cut it in half, break it down before I bring it to my table. I got more drop, so it's not going to be just a little bit more. It'll be a little bit more than more. What are you looking at? Anyways, I think it'll be fair, whatever we come up with on the price. You got anything to add?
You want to mention something about Spice Village or something, maybe? Okay.
Not on this one.
Well, I guess that's it. So, I really don't know if this is going to be a YouTube video, but make sure you subscribe if it is and give a like. So, bye!